And go.
Welcome to Quail Ridge. I'm going to show you around my experiment where I treat oak seedlings with high CO2 and drought. This is our climate change time machine. You can see the ducting system that's going to blow CO2 enriched air over all of our oak seedlings growing in plots around the outside of this sort of octopus looking thing. And I'll step inside and show you where we sort of do the brains of the operation. In this weather-controlled box, we have a couple nice items. Our mass flow controller, which dictates how much CO2 is coming into the system from the tank. We have the Lycor, which tests a sample of air from the plot volume to see if the seedlings are experiencing the right level of CO2. And we have the Campbell data logger, which is sort of holding the algorithm that keeps everything in check. It's a proportional integral derivative algorithm, if you want to know. That's just like in your car when you use cruise control. If you tell it to go 60 miles an hour and you're just a little high, it'll bring you back down towards the middle line. If you're just a little low, it'll do the same. And in this case, we're getting it to give us plus 200 parts per million CO2 enrichment. So that's going to bump us up from our current atmospheric levels of about 400, 410 parts per million into something we expect to experience in the mid-21st century. Given that level of CO2 control, which is controlled by everything in this box, we can then register the data, our very clunky field laptop here. We can look at the data and see how the control is going, and then eventually we will harvest the oak seedlings out in the growth plots and see how their growth and physiology has changed as a result of those treatments. What else?